Hello student, I am Shweta Patel, your maths teacher. Today we are going to learn our first chapter, where to look from. Okay? Are you ready for this? So we will start the first chapter, where to look from. Okay. You see all the objects at your home, at school, everywhere. Okay? So do they look the same or different from all the side? Here picture of table. Okay, so it is look like same from all sides. Any idea? So we will check both pictures of the table, one from the side view and one from the top view. This picture from the side view and this from top view. Okay, so both pictures of same object, but view is different. One is side view and one is top view. Okay, here question number 2. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Peeping means a cat is see into a classroom from one side. Okay, so tell me first, cat, from which view cat see into a classroom? Side view, top view or bottom view? Can you tell me? Okay, cat is see into classroom from the top view. Okay, so help her to find out where the teacher is. Anyone find the teacher? Where the teacher is? Here. Okay, so here teacher stand here. Okay, now some example of top view, side view and front view. First example, a military tent. Okay, so here three view of tent is given. This one top view, this one is side view and this one is front view of the tent. Okay, so three different view of military tent. Let's see, we will see next example. A table. We see three different view of the table. This one is from top view, this side view and this one is front view. Okay, tell me, front view, top view and side view, any two view of the table are same or not? Think about this. Okay, at your home table is there, so see the table and think about the answer. Any two view of the table are same or not? Okay, we see next example. A nut. You know where we use a nut? Any idea? Okay, for feed something we use a word for nut is bolt. Okay, we fit something with the help of bolt. Okay, so here three view of the nut is given: top view, side view and front view. Okay, so three view of a nut is given. Let's see next example. A hexagon block. Okay, three view: top view, side view and front view. This one is top view, this one is side view and this one is front view. Okay, why we call this one is hexagonal block? Because it has 6 sides. Okay, now tell me, any two view of the hexagonal block are same or not? Any two view or three view are same or not? Okay, here top view and side view look like the same from both the view, top view and side view. Okay, which now next example of a dice. You use dice in vacation time? Okay, so here three view of the dice is given. Top view, this one is side view, and this one front view. Okay, now can you tell me any two or three view of the dice are same or not? Okay, here answer is no, because all the side of dice has different number of dots. Okay, one side 1, another side 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, etc. Okay, now some example for you. Here some pictures are given. Find out from where you have to look, see the things this way. Okay, first two example of staircase, first one and second one example of staircase. Okay, anyone can tell me which view of the staircase in first picture? Top view, side view or front view? Yes, side view. Now second picture of staircase, from which view? Side view is cancelled. Now two view is there, top view and front view. So which view? Yes, front view is this. Now four example for you. Okay, so try yourself and try it in your home. Different things you see and tell your mother and father which view is this. Okay, of the object. I hope you understand top view, front view and side view. Okay, thank you.